Munchkin. Say hi, Munchkin. What the hell are you doing? Munchkin. Are you gonna smell it now? Okay, there's something seriously wrong with this cat. He, like, every day, like, from the past 3 or 4 days, this cat has been under my bed sleeping the whole day. Or I would catch him sleeping in my bed while I'm sleeping. Like this morning, I was sleeping at 6. It was probably 6 in the morning. And I felt something hairy down by my feet. And I was like, what? Because I was half asleep, half awake. And I looked down and went, huh? And he's like, and he's sleeping. He's like, and I'm like, that cat can snore. Then I go back to bed. I'm like, whatever. I just like, whatever. So yeah, what up, peoples? Heimer. I know a little Twitch or LT Twitch person. Yeah, Jacob. What the hell are you doing now? Are you licking yourself? Munchkin, don't do that. No, Munchkin, stop. 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 Look at what he's doing. Munchkin. He doesn't even stop. He just keeps on licking his tail. I think it's his bath time. He put his head right between his legs. What a perv. He's still going at it. Now he's licking his foot or leg, whatever. Munchkin. Okay, now you're gonna lay down and lick the paw. Okay, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Whoopee! I think I'm not gonna eat tomorrow. I'm probably gonna be all stuffed and everything, and I'm like, oh, I feel like a turkey. Just wrong, cat. Just wrong. He's just wrong. Look at that. He just goes to sleep. He's like, nah, leave me alone. Okay, I'll leave you alone. He's a strange kitty. I just keep on going back to Munchkin. I guess I really love Munchkin. Nah. See, he snored. He's like, okay. Anybody who likes Gamzee, like me, Darkest and Myrrh. Well, I'm not really sure about Myrrh. I think she's really into Flippy and bad Flippy. Yeah. Well, yeah. People should go on Ask Gamzee. It's funny, and I'm scared of sober Gamzee because he freaks me out. He rips off people's heads, and then he'll go straight to his sober, regular self. That's kind of not drunk, high self person, and then once he goes straight to his bloody mouth, pointy teeth. Really pointy teeth. They look like needles to me. And then he has, blood eyes that have, circle, and his eyes are, black. They're, pitch black. As much as his skin. And he's just like, what? He's like, what? What? Whatever. Because it's my United States of whatever. That just, popped out of nowhere. Okay, so, yeah. Gamzee. Watch sober Gamzee. It's scary. I'm afraid of sober Gamzee. I mean, seriously. Sober Gamzee. Okay, bye!